Play.
So the men's doubles final. Indonesian. The men's singles and the last player, yeah, so men's doubles, do you have any idea if debutants have been through to the final before in men's doubles? And possibly win it?
4-1.
Kukian Kiat and Tan Boon Hyung when they won in 2007. They only formed their partnership at the Asian Games in 2006.
So the other way around.
Over 2-4. Five, 2.
Very exciting match.
Oh, it's landed in.
5-6.
Oh, it was a non-side. Serve, return and third shot. Right. Pair really bursting through last year into the top of world that sometimes we see losing in early stages of tournaments. I mean, they up and they play so well in finals.
Yeah, they love being there on court. I don't think I've seen them show any signs of nervousness and play for anything. And the playing style is quite intimidating. And even more.
Yeah, there he is again.
10.
Very, very happy with that so far.
Back in this match, they need to put a lot of pressure on Gideon.
It seemed to stay on the top of the net for an age. Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. That was a sensational shot from Liu Yu Chen.
And when we got rallies, sensational play on both sides. congratulations by Sukamulio.
This one. Yes.
Fantastic.
Getting it over his head. Yeah, that was clever.
Thank you. All.
Well placed smack.
Yes, that was nice. Oh, it's well left. Easy and pair. Oh, called a fault. I was going to say good.
The momentum.
19-20.
21-19.
Set kedua, pegang lagi depannya main servis.
Play.
Full start there by Gideon. There's one thing you can't do to this strong Indonesian pair. It's when you lift.
Serves over.
String, the first rally we've had
Serves over.
in this second game that was over 4 shots.
Yeah.
2-3.
Game. Very unpredictable. Sukamulio. Great save there.
Unbelievable save. Oh, don't believe it.
3-all.
How did Marcus Fernaldi get...
I think Sukamulio is the fastest.
Yeah. Oh, that's long. They've lost 6 straight points. Yeah, that was a long way out. Mikey, how do you challenge that?
Played by Chinese.
That's good defence. Oh, I don't believe it. Well, awareness,
8-5.
and he was able to defend it. Oh, not well, but the longest run of the match so far. He's
9-5.
Who's
yeah.
you can put it all over the court, basically.
That cool return. Oh, I think his strings have gone. Oh, good night.
It's very close.
They're very close. They don't know what to do.
No.
What to try next.
Just moving forward, always putting pressure on the opponents.
Yeah. It's going wide.
Yeah.
Oh, reach that. Oh, 1, 2. Look at that reaction.
They're really good as well.
Yeah.
And I don't think the Chinese pair yet has the tactics to cope with the Indonesians. So it gets a lift.
And that's what I was alluding to earlier. It's almost as if they're all determined to try and prove that, because they're crouching down and then playing the overhead, driving it.
And you could say they need this victory, Indonesia, because they haven't had a good...
Prior to that, it's 14 years ago since another last Indonesian pair to lose in an All-England final. It was 2002. In the All-England title.
Service over.
Neck cord on the return of serve. Oh, he's pushed it wide. It's got back in neck cord. Super Series is concerned, now the biggest title of them all, the All-England Championships. It's the final rally. Oh, that may have been going out. All academic now. The moment of victory. The All-England crown. Final. Marcus Fernaldi, Gideon.